Hello friends, in the previous video we studied about some conversation words phrases. आज हम उन्हीं phrases में आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay? The next phrase which we go through today is that sounds good. We use this phrase to communicate when we agree to a suggestion or idea. If someone suggests for a dinner or going for a movie and you wish to agree, you can use this phrase. Okay? जब कोई आपसे डिनर के लिए पूछे या मूवी सजेस्ट करे तो and you have a positive response, you can use this phrase as an answer. That sounds good. It was nice chatting with you. We use this phrase when we want to tell someone that we enjoyed talking to him or her. जब किसी से बातचीत खत्म करनी है on a positive note, we can use this phrase at the end of a session, of a conversation. It was nice chatting with you. I am heading home. I am heading to school. We use this phrase when we want to tell or suggest that we need to end the conversation since we are heading somewhere, home, school or any other place. अगर आप किसी से अपनी बातचीत खत्म करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आप जल्दी में हैं या आप कहीं पहुंचना चाहते हैं तो आप अपनी बातचीत इस फ्रेज पर politely खत्म कर सकते हैं. You can say, I am heading home. I am heading to school. Okay? What's up? This is a casual way of greeting someone when you meet them. एक तरीका किसी को ग्रीट करने का. हेलो जैसे हम बोलते हैं उसी टाइप में ये एक तरीका है. व्हाट्सअप. जब आपसे कोई ये कहे व्हाट्सअप या आपको इस फ्रेज से ग्रीट करे या अपने कॉन्वर्जेशन की शुरुआत करे तो द पॉसिबल आंसर्स टू दिस कैन बी नथिंग मच और डूइंग ग्रेट. How do you spell that? While taking down or noting something down, if you wish that the speaker spells the word you are noting, you could use this phrase to request the same. जब आप कोई चीज नोट डाउन कर रहे हैं और जो स्पीकर है वो आपको जब बता रहा है, you need to know the spelling of the word which is being told by the speaker. अगर आप उस शब्द का स्पेलिंग जानना चाहते हैं जो आप नोट कर रहे हैं तो this is a polite way of asking the speaker to spell the word. How do you spell that? Do you mind if I? This is a phrase which is a way of asking permission for doing something without disturbing the other person or group. किसी चीज की परमिशन मांग रहे हैं हम जो हम करना चाहते हैं without disturbing the other person or group. इसके examples: Do you mind if I lower the TV volume? Do you mind if I open the window? I really appreciate it. This is a way of thanking someone. किसी को thank you बोलने का एक polite तरीका है ये. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. I am sorry to hear that. You can use this phrase when you are told about a sad, unhappy, unfortunate situation. जब आपको कोई बुरी खबर मिले या पता चले, तो this can be your phrase which you use to convey, I am sorry to hear that. I'll let you know. This phrase is used when you don't have an immediate answer or reply while something is asked. जब आपसे कोई सवाल पूछा जाए जिसका आप उसी समय या इमीडिएट आंसर नहीं देना चाहते या आप उस चीज पर सोच विचार करने के बाद ही अपना जवाब दर्ज करना चाहते हैं, तो दिस इज अ polite way of telling the other person that I will think about it and tell you. I'll let you know. मैं सोचकर बताऊंगा या बताऊंगी. Example, I'll let you know when to book the movie tickets. Go through these phrases, practice speaking them. You can have a conversation with someone, with a friend or a family member, and use these phrases, or the other way is using the mirror. In case you have any doubts, you need more clarity, please comment and tell me. Thank you. All the best.